Kalispera kiriskikiri. Today's spaghetti dish is chicken, mushrooms, and cooking cream. We begin by boiling some water, adding some olive oil so the pasta doesn't stick, some salt for season, and then the pasta. The package instructions say 10 to 11 minutes cooking time. Let's take a look at our pasta now. It's been cooking for around 10 minutes, and I believe it's ready. We begin by 2 garlic cloves, medium size. We're going to want to squish them and chop them up into little pieces. Now we're going to take these fresh white mushrooms and slice them into pieces. These are middle-sized white mushrooms, so we're going to want to slice them 3 to 4 pieces each mushroom. If you're using smaller white mushrooms, it's best to slice them 2 to 3 pieces. We're going to take half a chicken breast and slice it up into little pieces. We'll need a pan, medium to high heat. Add some olive oil. We'll begin by adding the garlic first and cooking it in the olive oil for around 10 to 15 seconds. Now we're going to add the chicken breast and cook it with the garlic for around 1.5 minutes. Let's add some salt, some pepper, and now we add the mushrooms. Now that we added the mushrooms, we're going to carry on cooking for around another 1.5 minutes. Let's add a little bit more salt and pepper because we added the mushrooms. Let's add in now the cooking cream. We want to see the cooking cream start to boil, and then we're going to add in the spaghetti. As soon as you add the spaghetti, stir and mix until you see the spaghetti has absorbed most of the cooking cream. Now that the spaghetti has absorbed most of the cooking cream, you're ready to serve. And like always, καλή σας όρεξη!